Good?
I like it. Chris, want to say hi to the camera?
Hi.
This is the worst pain I've ever felt.
You can do it, Nick.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Before you know it, it will be over. This is the worst part because this is all the blue. Yeah.
So we're almost done?
Yeah.
More
Yeah.
than halfway?
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Good job.
That's exactly what she wanted to hear.
Yeah.
Hey, Danae.
Oh my god.
How you doing?
Yeah, but I think we have, after this
Are you
blue,
sure?
we'll have like 5 minutes left.
Oh, yes.
How much?
5 minutes
After
after
the blue,
blue.
we'll have like about 5 minutes left.
5 minutes feels like an hour.
How long are the videos?
I don't know. This is so much pain right now.
You can make, okay.
I'm trying. My feet are sweating.
Yeah, my legs kind of start hurting. I'm just sitting there.
From me squeezing?
Huh?
From me squeezing?
No, that wasn't too bad.
You shouldn't squeeze, you should relax. The
It's
more you
kind of
relax,
hard.
yeah, the more you relax, the less you feel it.
I know, but I tense up.
Oh yeah, that's it's normal. It's just that.
Ow. Ow.
See, that's exactly what I wanted.
Don't make me laugh.